What's up, you guys? I'm here back with another video. This is your girl Natasha. So I'm gonna be doing this reaction video on somebody's video. So y'all gonna be watching it with me, and I will put my social media down, what I use. Y'all will be getting that. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a reaction video to this person, and so I hope y'all enjoy watching this with me, and give this thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's start.
So young nigga got the sauce on me. Boss like a young nigga with sauce on me. Pull up on your shorty and put sauce on it. So young nigga got the sauce on me. Do not be alarmed.
No lie, I kind of like this beat. This beat is tough. I kind of like it. I kind of like this beat.
Yeah. All the girls keep calling, said they wanna bring me home, yeah. Shorty, why you stalling? Are you gonna give me dumb, yeah? I'm not disrespectful, I just really wanna come, yeah. I don't wanna talk, yeah. Oh my. Question one, what she asked? Pull up, with two white bitches, Mary Kate Ashley. Yeah. They gon' smash me. If they talk too much, I'm gonna fuck around and pass it. So young nigga got the sauce.
I like it, but I don't know. I just feel like he sound like a little kid. Don't get me wrong. Like, don't judge me on this shit. But it sound like he sound like a little kid. I don't know. But that's my opinion.
Boss like a young nigga with sauce on me. Pull up on your shorty and put sauce on it. So young nigga got the sauce on me. So young nigga got the sauce on me. Boss like a young nigga with sauce on me. Pull up on your shorty and put sauce on it. So young nigga got the sauce on me.
Now I'm gonna say my opinion. Wait, pause this shit. I'm gonna say my opinion now. I really like the beat. That beat was dope. I'm not gonna lie, but I just felt like he wasn't really into it as much. Like he had to put at least a little bit more to it. You know, fuzz on it a little bit. But that's his flow. You know, you can't tell that person, oh, you gotta change your verse and whatever. No, because that's his and that's his music. But I really like the beat. That beat that he did was very like litty. Like I really like that beat, but I just felt like he wasn't really into the music. And it was like type slow. It was type slow, but I really liked the beat. Like the beat was good as hell. He just need to put more to it. Like, I don't know, that's my opinion, but like he just need to put more to it. And I really like the background, like his cover, because it's blue, and blue, I love blue. And yeah, so like the background, it looks really nice. and how he did it and everything, but I just feel like he wasn't like really putting his mind to it more. But you can't really judge on nobody on how their music are. That's how they are in general. But I like his beat, and his beat was really good. Like, his flow was really good. It's just he need to put his words more. His words more, a little bit more at least. I'm not going to say put a lot, but I'm saying put a little bit. But I really like his music. His music is, because I heard a couple of his songs, and his music is really nice and good. It's just, there's some that are depressing. But I like this one because this one is not a depressing song. So I kind of like the beat, and yeah, it was really great. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this reaction video, and support me on this Stack-Up-Gang family, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Y'all lovely people, because y'all are so amazing. But yeah, I love y'all so much. Mwah. And yeah, Stack-Up-Gang family, and just subscribe or like do whatever y'all want. Like, I ain't telling y'all to do it, but do whatever y'all want. But yeah, just support me on this, and yeah, enjoy watching this my reaction video, and just comment, tell me what do y'all like and what y'all don't like. Just comment on it. I just want to know. But yeah, I love y'all so much, and this is your girl Natasha. You already know. And yeah, bye guys.